This trifold memory foam mattress I just got has been absolutely flying off the shelves. I wanted to show you my favorite features.
Yo, yo.
What? What?
Recording, dude. Video, Amazon.
Oh, the Amazon one. Okay. Okay, guys, straight up, that's the reason why you need to get this. I mean, this thing is super comfortable. I was dozing off waiting for him to hit record. I don't even know what day it is. Thing about it is it doesn't matter what day it is. You just need good sleep. It's the end of the world. I mean, pretty soon, it's not going to matter what time it is, what day it is, what year it is. We're just living in insanity. But if you can get a mattress like this, you at least have, I think this brings you closer to God as we go further into chaos. It brings you closer to God. But let me get serious for a second. So this is the 6-inch memory foam green tea mattress. This is going to work for any of you, even if you want up to the 14-inch one, because I'm just on the 6-inch one on a hardwood floor, and I feel like I'm on a cloud. Like I can't feel the floor at all. I don't even need the box spring, but you can see how lightweight it is as well. Super padded, super lightweight. It's easy to see why thousands of people are buying this and hundreds of them are leaving 4.5 to 5-star written reviews. The reason I bought it is because everyone else is buying it. That's the reason you're going to buy it too.